Happiness for beginners. What brings joy into your life? Are there particular moments when you feel content or fulfilled? These are simple questions, but they can be challenging to answer. Here are a few suggestions that may help to assemble your answers. Consider keeping a journal. Writing down daily thoughts can reveal patterns in what uplifts or drains you. This practice offers insight into the highs and lows of your happiness. Engage with those around you. Share how you're feeling with friends or family members. They may provide perspectives that illuminate aspects of your happiness you've overlooked. Pinpoint the smallest details. Is it the laughter of loved ones, a favorite hobby, the tranquility of nature? Sources of happiness are unique and can often be surprising. In your journal, write down the activities that energize you as well as those that drain your enthusiasm. In time, you'll build a profile that reflects your feelings. Sometimes happiness means pulling away from things that make you unhappy. So put a column of happy versus unhappy. It doesn't matter if your unhappy column fills the journal whilst the happy column fills half a page. It's the start that matters. Okay, by now you've got a happiness for beginners dataset, so what to do with it? Start by identifying the things that truly bring you happiness and break these desires into actionable steps. For instance, if connecting with friends brings you happiness, set a goal to reach out once a week. Look at the things that make you unhappy. What can you easily pull away from or change? Be mindful of potential obstacles and plan accordingly. Life can throw curveballs. Adaptability is key. Celebrate small victories along the way. They add up and boost your motivation. Practicing gratitude is a powerful way to shift your perspective. Taking a moment each day to acknowledge what you appreciate can transform your outlook on life. Mindfulness, on the other hand, invites you to live in the present moment. By focusing on your breath or observing your surroundings, you cultivate awareness of both feelings and thoughts. This practice helps reduce stress and enhances overall well-being. Combining gratitude with mindfulness deepens the effect. When you're mindful of daily experiences, it's easier to notice moments worth appreciating. Consider keeping a gratitude journal where you jot down 3 things that brought joy today. This simple habit can spark positivity over time. Building positive relationships is essential for fostering happiness. Surrounding yourself with supportive and uplifting individuals can transform your outlook on life. Invest time in these connections. Simple gestures like checking in or sharing a meal can deepen bonds. Remember, quality over quantity matters here. Embrace community involvement or group activities that align with your interests. Engaging with others who share passions will naturally lead to fulfilling friendships that enhance your happiness journey. Self-care is a vital component of happiness. It's about prioritizing your well-being. Taking time to recharge can clear your mind and boost your mood. Investing time in yourself isn't selfish. It's essential for cultivating happiness. When you feel good internally, it radiates outward into every aspect of life. Finding your purpose can feel like a daunting task. It begins with self-reflection. Take time to explore what truly excites you and ignites your passions. Consider the activities that make you lose track of time. These moments reveal clues about your interests and strengths. Journaling can be an effective way to uncover these insights. Don't shy away from experimenting in various areas of life. Each experience teaches valuable lessons and shapes your understanding of purpose. Obstacles to happiness can feel overwhelming, but recognizing them is the first step toward overcoming them. Common barriers include negative thoughts, fear of failure, and toxic relationships. Surround yourself with positive influences, people who uplift and inspire you rather than drain your energy. Healthy boundaries play a crucial role here. Don't be afraid to distance yourself from negativity. Embrace change as a natural part of life's journey. Every setback is an opportunity for growth if approached with the right mindset. Embrace resilience. It's key to finding joy amid challenges. Happiness isn't an endpoint. It's an ongoing process requiring effort and attention. Stay open-minded about change, too. As life evolves, so may your definition of happiness. Keep discovering what resonates with you personally, adjusting along the way when necessary. We hope you found the video useful. If you did, we'd really appreciate a like, and don't forget to subscribe.